Hi, this is a quick video on how to light and turn off the wood burning fireplace in 362 Schultz Hill cabin on Cascada Farm. To get going, you simply open the door, the glass door of the insert. You grab over here a couple of the fire starter squares, some of the kindle and some of the wood, and create a nice pile inside. Make sure over here to your bottom right that the flue is completely open. You do that by pulling this lever on the bottom right of the fireplace all the way out, and then using the ignite here to just turn it on. Once the fire is going, please make sure you close the door. You can use this knob over here. You do not have to touch the switch, but you just simply turn the knob on all the way to the right. And what that does is a blower, and it blows the heat efficiently throughout the room. Once you're done and the fire is fully out, you can open the door, you can scoop the ashes out using the instruments provided into the ash bucket that sits outside, and make sure that you've gone back and closed the flue and turned off the blower. Thank you.